Okay, here's my Challenger with the Wi-Fi phone program, and I thought I'd show you that I finally got it working. You push start up. These are the basic things that I need. I want a bell and a whistle. And then, of course, you push the plus. So it should, again, this is battery powered, and I have the MTH Wi-Fi, the small electronic module that goes in it. And I just wanted to show you it works fine. There wasn't any magic to installing it, and the program on my iPhone works fine. You make sure you have power on the engine, and then you just punch in the program and punch on the icon that says run trains, and that's the point that you saw me right there. And then now to shut it down, it says shut down. You just shut it down. And that's it. So it's working fine. This is going to be fun. I had, when I bought it, there was a lot of things wrong with it. There were broken rods and all kinds of things wrong with it. The lights didn't work up here. I had to get the lights, and I lost the number boards, and I lost the lights right there, so I had to order those. I had to put rubbers on the wheels, and then of course change it over. Oh, I put a PS3 module in it also, and then of course the batteries. So since this electronic board is so small, I have the batteries and the module and the speaker in the coal car. Everything works fine. So there we go. I just thought I'd show you. And While I'm here, I might as well show you what I did outside also. I'll run outside here. I filled in the inside of the, filled the inside of the layout with concrete. And so I've got that all full of concrete, and there you can see where between the house and the layout, that the first of the month, that's all going to be concrete. And then I'm going to put a fence around it, just on the outside where the green is, grass. And then I'll start laying track. So there you go, guys. Oh, also, while I have you on the line, hey, do any of you guys know how the Lionel H10 Legacy, it has a moving bell? How do they do that? If anybody knows, let me know. Okay.